Let me be blunt. Most affiliate marketing for beginner videos are just complete trash. They tell you to sign up for Amazon, make TikToks about kitchen gadgets, and hope that your link gets clicked. That's not a business. That's just the digital equivalent to standing on the street and begging. In 2025, affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to make money online, but only if you treat it like a real business. If you don't have followers, well, that's not a problem. If you don't have any money to get started, that's not a problem either. You just need the right system in place and the balls to actually go out and execute. So in this video, I'm going to give you the real playbook. I'll show you exactly how affiliate marketing works, how to pick products that actually convert, and how to start from zero and scale up to $1,000 a week. You'll walk away from this video with a complete beginner-friendly strategy and a free affiliate system you can launch today. No bullshit, no excuses. Let's get you winning. Oh, and hit subscribe if you're tired of getting fed watered down strategies from people who haven't made a dime yet this year. Okay, before we build anything, let's get laser clear on what affiliate marketing actually is and what it's not. So let's start with the lies. Affiliate marketing is not making TikToks about Amazon gadgets and praying that someone clicks it and buys. It's not pasting links in random Facebook groups until you inevitably get banned. And it's definitely not some passive income dream where you do absolutely nothing and then wake up rich one morning. Affiliate marketing is not free money. It's just leveraged money. And that's a very different beast. So here's the real definition. Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's products or services and you get paid commissions every time someone buys through your unique tracking link. That's the core. You're not just a link sharer, you're a sales channel, you're a digital closer. Now, why does this matter? Well, it matters because when you treat it like a business, you set it up with systems in place, you build trust, you grow leads, and you track your data and focus on conversions, not just clicks. Clicks are vanity, sales are sanity. That's the mindset to have. Now let's quickly talk about what makes affiliate marketing so powerful in 2025. Well, for one, you don't need to build a product yourself, which saves you time and it saves you money. You don't handle payments, delivery, or any customer support. And you don't need any upfront capital to launch. All you need is a traffic source and a solid offer, and a system that consistently turns strangers into buyers. So if that's all you need to get started, well, then why aren't more people doing it? Well, there are a number of reasons. A lot of people simply just don't know what affiliate marketing is. And of the people who do know what it is, well, they often don't properly understand how affiliate marketing actually works. But when it comes to the people who do know what it is and how it works, the majority of them just quit too soon. I see it all the time. Motivation is temporary. They learn about affiliate marketing, they get set up, they spend 3 weeks spamming their link everywhere they can think of, they make 0 sales and call the whole model a scam and just quit. That's not a scam, that's just user error. This game isn't about getting lucky. It's about solving a real problem for a specific person, showing them a real solution, and connecting that solution with a no-brainer offer. That is it. And the best part is, you don't need a massive audience to do it. All you need is a clear message, one funnel, one offer, and one traffic source. Because focus beats volume every time. So here's the bottom line. Affiliate marketing is a low barrier business model with high leverage upside, but only if you treat it like a real business. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, from picking the right offer to setting up the systems and getting the sales, all done on autopilot. Alright, now that we know what affiliate marketing actually is, let's break down the 3 main ways beginners try to do it. Each one has its pros and its cons. And one of them, I believe, is your best bet in 2025. This is where most beginners start and then quickly burn out. You sign up to Amazon or ClickBank, you grab a link, and then you plaster it anywhere you can think of. TikTok bios, Reddit threads, Facebook DMs. You're hoping for a click and maybe, just maybe, a miracle sale. But the problem is that there's zero trust in that, zero structure, and no one knows who you are or why they should even listen to you. It's just digital begging. It's like cold calling 1,000 people a day with no script, no sales experience. Sure, you have a product, but it's highly unlikely anyone will buy from you. This model almost never works long term, so avoid it at all costs. Okay, now this is where the game changes. You create short form content like TikToks, YouTube Shorts and Reels. These videos need to spark a specific pain point in your audience. Not just hype, not fake lifestyle, actual value. So the short form content creates traffic, and now you need to drive that traffic into a simple 2-page funnel. On page 1, give away a free resource. This could be a cheat sheet or a guide, maybe a mini course. Then on page 2, you have your affiliate offer along with an automated email follow-up sequence. The idea is simple. You're giving before you're asking. This way you're always building trust. And then the system takes over from there and sells while you sleep. This is the model I use, this is what I teach, and this is what is working right now. You don't need to be an influencer, you just need to be helpful, consistent, and structured. Now this one works, but it's a real slow burn. You build a niche blog, you write some SEO optimized articles, slowly you rank higher over time, then you place affiliate links inside those articles. If you like writing and you've got patience, cool, brilliant, do it. But if you want momentum in your first 30 days, then this isn't the right way for you. SEO is a slow play. It's a 6-month play minimum, whereas shorts are a 6-day play. So out of these models, which one should you choose? Well, if you're just starting out, then go with the content plus funnel model. It's fast to launch, it's free to run, and it really is highly scalable. And you don't even need to build it all from scratch. I actually give away the exact funnel and email sequence and content plan in my free affiliate starter pack. You just have to focus on traffic and then the system handles the rest. It's really simple, it's really scalable, and it's really smart. Just one funnel, one offer, one traffic source. That is all you need. Alright, so now you understand the models. But here's where most beginners blow it. They pick crap offers, they either go with something that pays a $2 commission or something from a low trust brand. Or they pick products that nobody actually wants and wonder why they're stuck earning $20 a month at the most. So let me show you how to pick an affiliate product that actually sells. So you're not just wasting all of your time. If you're only earning $3 a sale, then you better love working 14-hour days because that's what it's going to take to actually make a half-decent income from it. So forget Amazon affiliates or AliExpress gadgets or anything that gives you pocket change in return for sales. That is not affiliate marketing, that's just charity without the tax benefits. People jump into massive affiliate programs with over 10,000 affiliates promoting the same offer with the same strategy, and they wonder why nobody's clicking their links. Oversaturation kills your edge, especially if you don't understand the product yourself. If you can't articulate why it's valuable or who it's for and how it actually helps them, then you're dead in the water. People trust clarity and confidence. So unless you already have a big audience that trusts your recommendations, just leave oversaturated offers well alone. So what should you look for in an affiliate program? Well, first off, you want something with high ticket or reoccurring income. For high ticket sales, you want to be at $100 or more per sale, or a monthly subscription so you earn the same amount every month after the sale, provided that they stay subscribed. Next, you want a clean funnel, something that converts cold traffic without all the friction. Strong support on the platform through emails, swipe files, funnel templates, and a decent community. Personal confidence. You could sell the product in a DM or on camera without flinching. And of course, room to grow. So you're not on a platform that's flooded with 10,000 clones all trying to do the same thing. Now, there are plenty of great programs out there to choose from. And if you want more details on them, then go check out my video, Best Affiliate Programs for Beginners. But if I had to recommend one, then I would recommend my own program. And yet, I'm obviously biased because it's my own program. But this is why we built the affiliate program the way we did. It's a smaller crew, better conversions, and a higher level of support. No corporate walls, no silence, no talking to AI, just real strategies, real systems, and real money-making potential. So if you want an affiliate program that actually treats you like a human, then come and join up. It's completely free to join. We have regular bonuses for top performing affiliates, free coaching, the works. Okay, so now you know how to pick a product that actually sells, and of course the best affiliate program. So now let's talk about how to put that all into a system that does all the selling and all of the hard work for you. Okay, now let's wire it all together, because having the right offer is only half of the game. You could have the best affiliate product in the world, but if you don't have a system that captures leads, builds trust, and follows up with consistency, then you're just another link that nobody clicks on. So here's the system that I recommend every beginner starts with. It's simple, it's scalable, and most importantly, it actually works. Okay, so step one, don't just send traffic to your affiliate link. That's a rookie move because cold traffic does not convert well at all. Instead, you need to send traffic to a simple 2-page funnel so that you can capture leads. Now, I know I also mentioned this earlier in the video, and that's because this is where so many people go wrong. They think their funnel needs to have a bunch of different steps, they vastly overcomplicate things, and then it just doesn't work, and they end up blaming affiliate marketing, when really it's just their mistake. They're overcomplicating it. So just keep things super simple. On page 1, have a lead magnet, something valuable and fast that you can give away for free. Something like a cheat sheet, a starter guide, maybe even a mini course. Then on page 2, you want a simple thank you page with a strong pitch for your affiliate product. That is it. That is all you need, because this does 2 things. 1, it builds your email list, which is the most valuable asset you own. And 2, it creates a bridge between free value and a paid offer. This way you're not cold pitching to people. Okay, step 2. This is where the money is made. You need a 5 to 7 day email sequence that does 4 things. It delivers value, it tells your story or your journey, it explains the problem that your product solves, and it makes a clear call to action. You're building trust in the inbox so that by the time they click the link, again, they're already sold. You've set it up once and you let it run forever. Even if people don't open all of your emails, it still builds trust because they see that your name is popping up in their inbox regularly. So subconsciously, you're no longer a stranger to them. And people don't tend to buy from strangers. Okay, step 3. I don't care if you've got 0 followers, you can still win with short form content. Right now, TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts are the highest leverage traffic sources online, so you need to be utilising them. Batch record 7 to 14 short videos a week. The videos should call out a problem, show a quick win or a lesson, and end with a clear call to action to your free resource. That is it. Don't overcomplicate it. Each video sends traffic into your funnel. The funnel collects the lead. The emails make the sale. It is as simple as that. So now that you've got a system and you're no longer spamming links everywhere, you're no longer hoping for a sale. You're building assets that are going to continue to scale as your business does over time. Now you can build all of this today completely free. I've actually done all of the hard work for you. It's inside my free affiliate starter pack. You get a 2-page plug and play funnel, pre-written emails. Don't forget to put your own name in them. A setup guide, a walkthrough, a traffic cheat sheet, and access to my affiliate program with 50% commissions. Grab it below, launch it in a weekend, and start building a real online business. Now, before we wrap things up, let's finish strong with the biggest mistakes beginners still make, even after setting all of this up correctly. You've got the system, you've got the offer, and you've got the playbook. So if it's all that easy, then why do most beginners still fail? Well, it's simple. They choke when it comes to the execution. I'm quickly going to break down the 3 biggest killers of affiliate momentum, so you don't fall into the same traps. I'll launch once the funnel looks better. I just want to tweak a few more things first. I hear it all the time, and it's nothing more than an excuse. You don't need perfection. Done is better than perfect, because done gets you results. You can always tweak things as you go along, but for now, just get the thing live. Your first version is never going to be your best version, and it's not supposed to be, but it needs to be live because only live funnels make money. Just launch, learn, and then update as you go. This is the #1 killer of traction. People post 3 videos, don't go viral, they don't get very many views, and then they vanish. But content is compounding. It's not about blowing up on 1 or 2 videos. It's about building up over time. Post daily, show up regardless of views, and refine your message as you go. Remember, your worst video might be the one that changes someone's life and makes you a sale. You might have a video that gets 10 views and maybe only one of those people ends up on your email list. But in a few months' time, that person could buy a 10k coaching package from you. So stay in the game and just keep showing up. Affiliate marketing feels casual, but it's not. It's a real income stream, so treat it like one. Set your hours, block time to create, track all of your numbers, study what's working and what's not. If you treat it like a hobby, then it's going to pay you like a hobby. But if you treat it like an actual business, then it will bankroll your freedom. Remember, you're not just an affiliate. You're a digital entrepreneur. So act like one, think like one, and move like one. The blueprint's in your hands now. All that's left is for you to go out and execute. So grab the free affiliate starter pack below if you haven't already. It gives you a plug and play funnel, pre-written emails, a traffic cheat sheet, and access to my affiliate program with 50% commissions. Drop a comment below saying system activated if you're all in. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.